no way this is like a one bedroom for sure. Today we're checking out possibly one of the smallest apartments for rent in Singapore. And when I mean like for rent, I don't just mean like a master bedroom or a common room. I mean like a full-on apartment. How small is it going to be, for you to stay as a solo tenant? So the apartment is going to be taking us to the area of Geylang, which is about 45 minutes from where I am right now. Probably going to start making my way over there, and I guess I'll see you guys when I actually reach Geylang. So I just reached the area of Geylang. I'm not too surprised that this condo is, or this apartment is actually located right here. The area of Geylang is quite known for affordable condos with very high rental yield. So a lot of people, who are the expats or like students like myself or young people like myself do actually like the area because of its very close proximity to the city area. Right now we're about 15 minutes away from the condo. I'm probably just going to walk the rest of the way. Let's go. So I'm a little bit early, the real estate agent hasn't arrived yet. This is the place, this is the building. Something very interesting is that a lot of the residential buildings are tucked behind the Geylang main stretch. I think just because that place has so much noise, so a lot of the commercial buildings are just fronting and just taking up all that stuff. So far from the exterior, this place looks pretty good, very well painted. I'm just gonna sit down and wait for the real estate agent to come, and then we'll just go and check out the place. Finally, I think the agent isn't coming anymore. I have no idea why. This is apparently one of the tenants here. She's showing me the place. Oh, okay, thank you.
When you come out, you just press here.
Okay, thank you very much. He says the apartment is 0202. Do you know where that is?
Anything, or when you outside, just press that one. Yeah, the agent is calling me up. Okay.
Okay.
Is it? See you take care out.
This one is it?
Yeah, second floor, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, see you.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye. Well, we just reached the apartment, which could possibly be the smallest apartment in Singapore. Here is the place. Okay, it's actually not as bad as I thought it would be. It's actually very well furnished, and it kind of gives off a bit of a hotel kind of vibe. I don't know whether you guys can see the place. Much bigger than I thought, but it is still a very small place. I mean, no way this is like a one bedroom for sure. You don't even get a kitchen actually, so quite a small place. Let's check out the views, I guess. You get a bit of the street view. It's not too bad, it's a bit low. So the space is about 200 square feet, going at about 1,400 asking. But it's not too bad. I mean, you can fit a queen size bed here, but no real kitchen, so I guess if you really want to do cooking, there's not really much you have going on. You kind of have like a small little table here. Let's check out the toilet. So the toilet is really small. It's like, you guys can't see it right now, but the wingspan of my arms can actually fit the entire toilet itself. You have a bit of a vanity with a little sink. I guess it's a self-cleaning toilet because if you're showering, everything is going to get wet. Racks up here for your towels, so not too bad. The thing that this unit has is an inbuilt cupboard, so quite a bit of internal space, and it's very well built as well. This place honestly doesn't look that bad because there's not much of your personal furniture or belongings here, but I can imagine if you have like what I have in my room, if I have my giant laptop like somewhere here, or if I have bags and my different belongings, I think this place would be quite claustrophobic. You really have to use every nook and cranny of the place. Like, there's a ledge up here, maybe you can put some of your photographs up here to really maximize the entire area of this apartment. For $1,400, I don't think I would pay for a room at this size and this location. You don't really have very good access to different MRTs, I would say. The closest one, the L unit, which is about 10 minutes walk, not very near. You might be close to town, but with a 10 minutes walk, you're not that close to town, I think if you're a big dude, you probably wouldn't really want to consider this place. Maybe if you're a bit smaller, because it's too small. You probably want to rent out a one bedroom, like a common room or master bedroom, and then at least you have a bit of space to navigate around the common spaces with the other tenants. Because this is too small, and you don't get a kitchen. That really sucks. Okay, now that we're done checking out the apartment, the agent also mentioned there's some space upstairs, terrace on top, where you can actually hang your clothes and use the equipment there. Let's check out the area right now. It's on level 4. We're currently on level 2, so let's head on up. Small little area, I guess, but not too bad since you don't really have to pay for the electricity up here. This is a common washing machine, so I guess all the tenants in the building use this. I guess it's a nice place to meet the other tenants in the building, so which is okay. So that is it. That is the end of my quick tour on the possibly smallest apartment in Singapore. If you guys like this kind of videos, do tell me in the comment section below, and if you like what you see, drop a like, and till next time.